Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to solve for x and y in this simultaneous equation that is x plus y equals 10 and xy equals 50. Let's see solution. We have x plus y equals 10. That is our equation 1. And we have xy equals 50. That's our equation 2. So from equation 1, we will have y. If you make y the subject of the formula, we'll have y equals 10 minus x. Let's number this equation 3. So also from equation 2, if you make, okay, let's say equation 2, we have from 2, we have xy equals 50. So, but if you substitute y to be 10 minus x in equation 2, we will have x, then y, we have 10 minus x equals 50. If you expand this bracket, we will have 10 times x, we have 10x minus x times x, we will have x squared equals 50. So here we will have minus x squared plus 10x. Then if you transfer this here, we'll have minus 50 equals 0. So we see that this is a quadratic equation, and to make it easier to solve, we multiply both sides by minus 1. So if you say multiply both sides by minus 1, so we have minus 1 times minus x squared plus 10x minus 50. Then we have minus 1 times 0. So we'll have this, we'll have x squared minus 10x plus 50 equals 0. So we will solve this quadratically. Let's solve it by using quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So from here, we'll have our a to be the coefficient of x squared, that is 1, our b, coefficient of x, that is minus 10, and our c, which is constant, equals 50. Substituting this value into this quadratic formula, we have x equals minus, what's our b? Minus 10. We have plus or minus square root of b squared. Our b is minus 10. We have it to be square. Multiply by 4. Sorry. B squared minus 4. What's our a? 1. And what's our c? 50. Divided by 2a. So what's our a? That is 1. We have x to be equals minus 1 times minus 10. We have 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square, so that is 100, minus 4 times 1, that is minus 4, minus 4 times 50, that is 200. So we have minus 200 divided by 2 times 1 will give us 2. From here, we will have x equals 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 200. We have minus 100 divided by 2. So we will have x equals 10 plus or minus. This will becomes 100 times, then we have square root of minus 1 divided by 2. So, but remember that I equal to square root of minus 1. So we will have our x to be equals 10 plus or minus square root of 100 times I divided by 2. So we have x equals 10 plus or minus square root of 100 will give us 10 I. So multiply by I here divided by 2. So from here, you see that we can factorize 2 here, 2 out here, we have 2. So what will be left here? We will have 5 plus or minus 5i. So we can have it like this. And we know that these two will cancel these two. So we'll have x equals 5 plus or minus 5i. So from here, we say that we split this so that we say x equals 5 plus 5i, or x equals 5 minus 5i. So you can number this, you can name this to be x1, like we have x1 equals 5 plus 5i, complex number, then or x2 equals 5 minus 5i. So from our equation 3, from 3, remember these are value of x, we want to get y now. So when we have y to be equals 10 minus x. So we are going to get here, we are going to get y by substituting the value of x here. So, but before that, I hope you are enjoying this solution. Please kindly like and leave a comment to share your thoughts, as they will encourage me to do more. So now we have when x equals 5 plus 5i, we have y1 we have 10 minus 5 plus 5i, and we will have y1 equals 10. Use this minus to expand this, we have minus 5 minus 5i. So we have y1 equals 10 minus 5, that is 5 minus 5i. So also, this is when these are value of y when our x equals 5 plus 5i. So also when our x equals 5 minus 5i, then what will becomes the value of y? Our y will be 10 minus 5 minus 5i. So we've already gotten our y1, so this one will be our y2 equals 10 minus 5. Use this minus to expand this, plus 5i. We have y2 to be equals 10 minus 5 will give us 5 plus 5i. So therefore, you can declare that the first is we have x1, y1. So this pair will become our x1 is 5 plus 5i, and our y1 is 5 minus 5i. So also for the second pair, x2 and y2, our x2 is 5 minus 5i, and our y2 is 5 plus 5i. So these are answers. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on our next video. Bye.